many of you have thought of something that might possibly happen, and then you think about how to, think about this. How many of you have to go to work? Raise your hand. Okay, what happens if you don't go to work? Don't get paid. What happens if you don't get paid? You lose your house. What happens if you lose your house? You're homeless. What happens if you're homeless? You get into a bum fight. What? Who said that? What? No, they don't do that anymore. That was actually a thing. See, what I asked you to do, like how many people have to pay their heat and their electricity? Okay. And if you don't do that, we don't know what happens. See, in our minds, if we have to do something, try on, we become a victim of our own minds. What if instead of you have to, you get to? See, what if you have to go to work doesn't bully you into going, oh, I have to go see this provider. Oh, I already spoke to this person. And you start making up stories about how they're not going to make any changes. How they're not going to do this. I have to, give them penalties. I have to take away all this stuff. What if you get to? How many people wake up next to somebody in the morning, well, intentionally, and when you wake up next to that person, you look at them and you go, oh, I choose you again. As opposed to you again. But somehow it's their fault. Someone's looking up a divorce lawyer right now.